Okay, so here's a reminder of how to set up your add-ons or apps in Matlab. So you just come over to this apps, you click get more apps, and it will pop up. It takes a little bit sometimes with this nice little thing. It'll tell you if everything's included in your license. It just kind of depends on whatever you've been paid for, you've been given access to. The one that I want to look for is Arduino. So I don't want the Simulink support package for Arduino. I think I want the Matlab support package for Arduino. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. Yes, okay, this is what I want. And this should be just as simple as clicking install. I have the most recent update. I just updated everything, so this seemed like a good time to do this. So updating install, doop-de-doop-de-doo. This can definitely take longer than you feel like it should. Okay, pops up. Next. Of course I accept. And all this third-party licensing stuff, sure, why not? Let's do it. I'm down to party. And so that shouldn't take too long. Okay, awesome. Now it says it requires additional hardware setup. Let's see. I don't have the hardware with me, but maybe I can do that. Now we'll see what happens. Also, just to be clear, I'm hitting pause a lot. This process has taken much more time than you would have wanted it to. Oh, okay, so to do this, I would actually need the Arduino board right now, so I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to say Arduino Explorer. And I'm going to wait, and while that's setting up, I'm going to open up my Arduino set. And I should have this thingy. And all I need right now is that thingy and this thingy. But for the purposes of my computer, I only have a USB-C, so I also need my converter. So I'm going to stick this into here, stick this into here, and stick this, let's see, curvy side on top, into here. Now, back over on the computer, I'm going to say all hardware. I'm going to click refresh. And it's going to see my Arduino board. So I'll click go. And right now it's just looking, seeing if there's an Arduino there. Seems like it's generally happy. It's going to take a minute. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. Okay, so now I've got my little Arduino app. There's, things you can do, look around here, and I generally am not going to spend a ton of time looking at this. This is just giving me the outputs from the board. There's no outputs from the board right now because nothing's connected to the board. It's reading in garbage, and it's pretty fantastic. But I can go through here and I can, start messing around. And so if you can see that it's doing something, then that means you've at least started to set it up right and you're making some basic progress.